Good day all, my name is Rudy from Alublack, and today we're going to introduce to you our single cab Hilux. This is a 2.4 single cab that we fitted our canopy and tray on. We fitted proper suspension on here. We always recommend fitting a proper suspension like Tough Dog, just for a better ride. Same as all our flatbeds, standard. We've got boxes at the bottom, nice big storage spaces in front and at the back. If we go to the inside of the canopy, if we open up here, this vehicle is also fitted with an 80-litre water tank, and this is where you fill up your water tank, and also it's got a water pump in as well. This is our battery enclosure. This specific unit is fitted with a 105 amp hour lithium battery. This one's got a 12-volt oven to warm up anything that you want. This is a 500 watt inverter. We've got a single ARB compressor. We've got DC to DC, and we've got MPPT for solar charging. If you've got a portable panel that you want to charge your batteries with, you can just plug that in here, put it in the sun, and your batteries will charge. Nice big drawers that can pull out. Also some storage space on top. If we go around here, on this specific vehicle, it's a single cab, but we fitted a double cab canopy, leaving us some nice open space at the back for all your wood, any dirty things that you want to throw on the back. Spare wheels also on the back here with the nice fold down leather that we will show to you a little bit later with our tent on top. At the back here, also standard on all our flatbeds, we've got a nice big drawer at the back for storage, for recovery equipment, anything. If we go around to this, again, two nice big boxes. If we open up here, we've got our kitchen and pantry unit, like you've guys seen on the camper as well. Very nice, a lot of packing space. Gas stove, and plenty of storage space with nice big drawers. On this side, we've got our drop-down fridge slide, dropping down very nice and low for you to access the fridge. Let me show you guys the awning that we fitted and the tent. We fitted a 270-degree awning, alu cap, very nice and strong. Let me open this for you. Very nice and easy to open this. Open it there, at the back. Loosen all the Velcro strips. Side. You open this side. Very nice and easy to open it. Just slide it in, pull it tight, and off you go. Always remember when it's raining, just to lift up this support leg for all the water to run down. We're going to move over to this side. We fitted a very nice Bundu suite from Bundu Tech. It's a 2.1 meter shower cubicle that you can also very easily open like this. It's almost the same opening like the awning. Just open up this Velcro, let it fall down. We've got a support pole here that we will fit just now. Very easy to open. Open it like this, make sure everything is nice and tight at the bottom. Open it this side. This side. For windy days, we've got a little pole here that you can literally just clip in. If we move over to this side, let me show you guys how you get in. You just open it like this, and you can walk in. This is a very nice open space. Also, you can access your canopy from here. Your doors can still open, and you can still access your canopy on the inside. We're going to move over to the tent. This is an Alucab LT50, very nice and small, and also very light. Let me get in and show you guys. It's nice and big inside here. I want to show you guys here at the back. We've got this open space that I talked about for all your wood and anything. And this is also removable drop sites that you can put anywhere. Easily put your wood in or whatever you want to fit in there. put the job sites back, and close it, and off you go. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you need any more info, please go and follow us on Facebook or Instagram. All our contact details is on there. See you soon.